Presale Cleaning, the hidden key to a faster, stronger sale. If you're about to put your home on the market, you might be thinking about pricing, styling, or the perfect real estate agent. But before you do anything else, here's the most underrated move that can seriously impact your sale. Presale cleaning. Not just a tidy up, not just a vacuum and mop. We're talking about a deep strategic clean that creates the kind of first impression that makes buyers lean in and say, yes, this is it. Let's explore why a professional level clean is one of the smartest, highest ROI decisions you can make before selling. It's not just clean, it's confidence. Buyers don't want to feel like they're inheriting someone else's mess. They want clean corners, fresh air, and that subtle, reassuring sense that says, this home has been loved. This home is ready. We can trust this property. That trust translates into stronger offers and fewer objections. Why presale cleaning pays off a properly cleaned home. Photographs better, images are brighter, crisper, and more inviting online. Performs better at inspections. Buyers stay longer, ask more questions, and emotionally connect with the space. Sells faster and higher. Clean homes are more likely to spark urgency and multiple offers. Think about it. Would you feel excited about making an offer on a place that smells musty or has greasy light switches? Buyers notice everything, especially the things you've stopped seeing. Where to focus? The big 5 impact zones. Here's where a presale clean has the most power. Bathrooms, grout, taps, tiles, and mirrors should shine. Remove mold, soap scum, and streaks. The goal: fresh, hygienic, and low maintenance. Kitchen. Degrease everything: hoods, splashbacks, oven doors. Clean inside cabinets and appliances. Empty bins and eliminate food odours. Floors and carpets. Vacuum every corner. Mop or polish hard floors. Steam clean rugs and carpets for that just moved in freshness. Windows and glass. Clean inside and out. Sparkling glass brings in light and makes rooms feel bigger. Entryway and front door. This is where first impressions are formed. Sweep paths, wipe the door, shake the mat, and make it feel welcoming. The emotional edge. Presale cleaning isn't just practical, it's emotional marketing. You're selling a feeling, not just 4 walls. You want buyers to walk in and feel calm, excited, safe. When a home is immaculately clean, that feeling comes naturally. Buyers can picture themselves living there without the to-do list. DIY or professional clean? Sure, you can do it yourself, but consider this. Do you have the time to deep clean every nook, drawer, and track? Do you have the right tools for steam cleaning, degreasing, or high dusting? Professional cleaners don't just save time, they give you certainty. You won't be wondering if the shower grout looks good in photos. You'll know it does. And that peace of mind, it's priceless. Final thought. Clean like it sells. Because it does in today's market, buyers are busy, cautious, and quick to judge. A home that's clean, calm, and cared for cuts through the noise. It holds attention. It builds trust. And it sells stronger, faster, and with fewer compromises. So before the styling, the staging, or the marketing, clean like your sale depends on it. Because in many ways, it does.